India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. Global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for a one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Duke Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader? India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. Global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for a one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Duke Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader? India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. Global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for a one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Duke Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader? India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. Global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for a one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Duke Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader? India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. Global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for a one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Duke Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader? India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. Global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for a one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Duke Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader? India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Do Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader? India's sharpest trading minds are about to take flight. Welcome to the ultimate showdown. One stage, 5 trading titans. Global glory awaits. We're flying our top 5 trading titans to Kuala Lumpur from India for one-of-a-kind live trading challenge at Do Prime office. Who will become India's smartest trader?
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the live NFP Trading Challenge powered by Do Prime and brought to you by DPFunded. This is Trading Ki Udaan, Do Prime Ki Pehchan, a campaign that's all about empowering Indian traders through education, real-time action, and real challenges. I'm Janu, an analyst from The Expert.
And I'm June. I'm also an analyst with The Expert. So you get to watch our analysis video. Well, in India, mainly this is done by Janu, across all of our Do Prime's social media channels.
Now, this isn't just another trading challenge. This is a real market masterclass designed for every Indian traders who's ever asked, what do the pros do when the pressure's on? Now, 4 of India's top trading creators are about to go live. Under pressure, trading one of the most volatile moments of the economic calendar, non-farm payroll. Now, before we get started, here's how you can win prizes tonight. We are giving away $20 credits to 10 lucky winners every 30 minutes and 1 grand prize of $200 credits live during this stream. This lucky draw is not sponsored by YouTube. To enter, just scan the QR code on your screen and create a Do Prime account, answer a quick question, and submit your response for a chance to win, including the $200 grand prize. To claim your prize, send us a DM via Facebook or Instagram to verify and redeem your prizes. And that's all.
So, here's why this challenge actually matters. And trust me, it really does. Now, it's all about giving you the real strategies, not just those flashy reels or highlights clip that you see everywhere on the web. We are talking about actual trading techniques here from this fast-paced scalping to thoughtful swing trading if there is. Plus, of course, the nitty-gritty of risk control and making decisions in real time under pressure. You will get to see the platform in action too, like literally see how Do Prime performs in milliseconds, spreads, and execution speed actually makes a difference. And honestly, Janu, what's cooler than having a front row seat, right? To watch how our pros think, right? Yeah, I'm so excited as well. So you will get to watch the experienced trader in front of us as they adapt, as they win, and yeah, maybe they might lose as well, because that's part of trading. That's part of the game. Now, this is a trading craft. It's about logic, rapid analysis, discipline, and that rock-solid mindset that separates the experienced from the rest. At the core of it, this is about sharing ideas among traders by letting them really observe how the seasoned traders think, act, and adjust on the fly in live markets. And guess what? It's about you too. You will get to interact, ask questions, win cool giveaway, and literally learn from every single move these traders in front of me make right in front of you as well. So, by bringing these top minds together in this transparent, high-stakes challenge, what we are really doing is bridging that gap between content and conviction, basically helping to turn you into a smarter and more confident trader. And that, in the end, is what it's all about. And Janu, why are we doing this here in KL? Why not anywhere? And why are we not flying to India?
Well, I'll tell you that right now. We are coming to you live from Do Prime's Kuala Lumpur office, one of our global hubs among 20 plus international offices. KL reflects the operational strength and global presence of Do Prime. It's a professional space for serious traders, just like this challenge.
Now let's meet our challengers for today. In Do Prime's NFP Trading Challenge. There are 4 outstanding traders here with us, and they are content creators too. They who have carved out their own unique path in the world of trading.
So first up, we have Radhima Puri at Girl Who Trades, based in New Delhi, India. Radhima began her trading journey 5 years ago during her second year of college. Now, what started as a quest for independence quickly became a story of resilience. Despite facing numerous struggles and early losses, she stayed committed to her passion for trading and transformed her challenges into a purpose. Now, just a year ago, she ventured into content creation, and in that short time, she has built a remarkable following. Over 100,000 on Instagram and 26,000 on YouTube. Today, Radhima stands out as one of our few successful women traders and mentors in India, having empowered over 500 students through her mentorship.
Now the next one we have here is Kunal Malik. His IG is Tech Trader G. He also comes from New Delhi. Kunal begins his trading journey in 2020, right after the COVID-19 outbreak. Now, if any of you started during that time, leave it in the comments and let me know as well. Yeah, like many new traders, he faced tough lessons early on, losing his initial capital to a misleading call tip provider in the Indian stock market. But instead of walking away, Kunal chose to learn from that setback and steadily hone his skills. By 2024, he had successfully recovered from his losses, and he now shares his knowledge and insights through his YouTube and Instagram channels. Kunal has built a supportive community of traders, helping others learn from his journey and avoid common mistakes as well.
Next, we have Shubhra Tewari at Crypto.biz. Hailing from a small village in West Bengal, Shubhra brings us a true grassroots trading story. He began trading around 2017 to 2018, deeply involved in the crypto scene. Now, at one point, he held 2.5 Bitcoin, which he unfortunately lost in a rug pull incident while trading another cryptocurrency. Now, despite the complete loss of his capital, Shubhra didn't give up. He rebuilt his confidence and skill through persistence, and today earns an impressive 2 to 5 lakhs per month through trading. Just last year, he began sharing his authentic trading experiences as a content creator, inspiring many within his growing community.
And the last and very least, and I see this name in the comments, it's popping up everywhere. The next one is Madhav Bhatia. With the IG, I am Madhav Bhatia, and she's based in Delhi. So Madhav began his crypto journey in 2020, also during the COVID pandemic. She dedicated 3 to 4 years to mastering the industry before stepping into the spotlight as a crypto influencer and content creator in 2024. A journey includes both major setbacks like the 2021 crypto market crash when Bitcoin fell to 15,000 and big wins, including an early bet on Solana that grew from $8 to $200. In just one and a half years, he's built a community of over 200,000 followers across platforms. Madhav has collaborated with numerous Web3 projects and served as a brand ambassador for crypto initiative, blending profitable trading with leadership in crypto education.
Now, each of these challenges bring their own unique story, expertise, and mindset to today's event. And we can't wait to see how they perform under the pressure of live NFP trading.
So here's the deal. Each of our contestants here is stepping into the arena with $1,000 of capital, funded straight into their Do Prime ECN account. And yeah, they have got that powerful 1 to 500 leverage at their fingertips as well. It's totally up to them how they want to play it. They can go for gold, dive into Forex, indices, or even take a shot at crypto. No limits, just pure freedom. And here's how we are keeping it fair, intense, and super clear. The winner is simply the trader who racks up the highest percentage gain after 2 hours of live trading. And that's it. But hey, if things go sideways and everyone ends up in the red, so what happens? No worries. The traders who manage to lose the least walks away with the win. And if somehow at the challenge, all the challenges here got wiped out completely, well, then the crown goes to the one who hangs in there the longest before getting knocked out. It's transparent, it's real, and it's all about skills, grit, and staying cool under pressure.
Now here's what's on the line for tonight. For the third and fourth prize, you would be getting an elite trader, 2 $688 DP funded account each, plus the profit made. And now the first runner-up will be getting a $2,000 DP funded account plus profit made. And now the first place, our champion, will be getting a big $5,000 DP funded account plus profit made. Now all funded accounts will follow standard DP funded terms.
So, traders, challengers, are you ready? Now, this is it, the moment you have been all waiting for, even in the comments as well, your supporters, your fans. You have met your competitors, you are clear on the rules, and the market is already ticking. So to all 4 of our KOLs here, our content creators, your $1,000 account are live right now, and the charts are right there in front of you. You have got exactly 2 hours to show us what you are made of. So take a deep breath, lock in your game plan, and let's see the real trading magic. And with that, I'm hyped to say the Do Prime NFP Trading Challenge has officially started. You may start trading right now. Let's see who's got the nerve, who can ride out the volatility, who's in the right direction, and who's going to rise to the top later. Good luck, everyone.
And now for the supporters who are online, please react as much as you can. Type in who you're supporting the most, and let's show your support for our challenges here live today. And now, let's have a conversation, June.
Sure.
So you yourself, you are an experienced trader. Before we dive into the technicals, I want to talk a bit on the mental game. I mean, it's NFP. The pressure is real. The volatility can be insane. And on top of that, they are being watched live. How? I can't brain this, I'm sorry. What's your advice that you can give to them right now?
For me, I think most of them, they already have a plan. Just now, okay, it's raining right now in Malaysia. Just now when we were walking here, I think they have warm up as well, their body, their minds. I think they are so ready right now. So NFP or any economic data is all about preparation. It's all about, watching the data, the number, because that's what's gonna affect the Fed's decision in the future. And that decision is gonna move the markets. So we are always ready. If you have a plan, yeah, some of them look at the numbers, some of them look at the charts, whether there's a technical candle or price action that they like, then they will probably follow it. Yeah, so there's no rush, there's no stress, just go according to your plan.
Yeah. Wow, like as a trader, I feel like you have to have such strong mentality and also adaptability, because you really have to adapt to the market no matter whatever comes up to you in the moment. You have to react and react fast, yeah?
Because that's the point. No one knows what's the number that is going to come out later.
True. All right then. So I guess what you're saying is trust the process. You can't control the market, but you can control your execution.
Yes.
So if you plan your approach, stick with it, even if that means doing nothing for a good 15 minutes, all right? All right. Now to the viewers online, keep on hyping up your mentors, keep on supporting them, react, type down the trader that you are supporting. We are watching them, they are watching them, and I'm sure they can feel your support all the way here. And to enter our lucky draws happening during this stream, just scan the QR code on your screen, create a Do Prime account, answer a quick question that we will be giving you live, and submit your response for a chance to win, including the $200 grand prize. To claim your prize, send us a DM via our Facebook or Instagram account to verify and redeem your prizes. And that's it.
Alright folks, while we are waiting for the markets to head up and the traders to make their moves, let's crank up some excitement with our first lucky draw of the day. And remember, just by tuning in and being part of this session, you could walk away with sweet gifts. No trades needed, just good vibes and some quick fingers. I can see your comments in the chat. So, okay, now it's officially giveaway time. So if you are ready, you have already registered using that QR code on your screen we flashed earlier. You are all set and ready to roll. If you are not, it's time to do it now. So here's what you got to do. Hop into the live chat and type hashtag DoPrimeIndia. Hashtag DoPrimeIndia along with your answer to join this lucky draw. It's simple as that. Alright, let's test how sharp you are right now. Type your answer in the chat right now. Here comes the question. Which world famous football club is DoPrime currently partnered as the official global online trading platform partner? I repeat, which world famous football club is DoPrime currently partnered with as the official global online trading platform partner?
All right, we can see some answers coming in. Now remember, give us the full name to be eligible for this giveaway. Again, the question is, which world famous football club is DoPrime currently partnered with as the official global online trading platform partner? Do you want to give them a hint?
Yeah, it's right in your screen right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Our live assistant will be picking 10 random winners and we will be posting the 10 names in the comments. So keep going, keep typing down your answer. Let's go.
Yeah, we have seen your answers rolling in and we have already a lot of names on our system here. So yeah, and let's see who are those winners.
All right, now let's welcome our trading expert for this segment, Ken, a full-time trader with years of experience across markets. Welcome, Ken.
Yeah, and for those winners, just a quick reminder, to actually be eligible to win, you must make sure that you have registered through the QR code. and use the correct keyword to answer. Yeah. Yeah, so Ken, can you introduce yourself a bit?
Hi everyone, welcome to Malaysia. And then we hope today receptions has been to your certification, and we apologize in advance for any shortcoming in our hospitality. We also hope you have a wonderful time here, enjoying not only just the event, but also with the delicious local food and rich cultural difference. Okay, and of course, best of luck in the trading competition. Go all out and give it your best.
Yeah, to our challenges here.
Yeah.
So, trading data like NFP or any other economic data as well, it's kind of funny when you think about it, because for some traders, it's basically like rolling the dice. It's pure gamble for them, and hoping to catch that big move.
Yeah.
And they are also, they are in before the data and crossing their fingers, praying that it reaches their trading goals. But there are also another type of traders. It's a whole different game. It's a strategy, it's analysis, it's preparation. They have got their plans for different scenarios, right?
Yeah.
They even know their levels, they have done their homework. And yeah, some traders love jumping in before the numbers drop, trying to position early for that breakout. And others, they are all about patience, waiting for the data to hit and watching how the market reacts to it. Then, only then, they make their move and see what's the real edge. And that's what NFP trading is so wow. There's no one size fits all. It all depends on you. So everyone, tell me in the chat, are you team jump in before, or are you team wait for the data? Let's see where everyone stands. So Ken, what about you? Are you going to jump in, or are you going to wait?
For my opinion, I think I would wait for the data to come out first, because I think there's no confidence on
the guessing game.
Yes, totally. And then I feel that USD is totally dropped to a certain level that's totally too low already. It might be a time to come back. So I will wait for the data to come out first.
Yeah. So we have mentioned just now, like we have provided them an ECN account. So can you talk briefly about what is an ECN account?
All right, everyone. The account that we offer for this trading competition actually is ECN account. So what is the difference between other account type that we will later discuss about? All right, ECN account also stands for Electronic Communication Network. It's offering low spread and then fast execution speed. Trader can enjoy a stable trading environment. If let's say anyone of you or internet friend, you are using any VPS support to trade with EA, that will be beneficial for your trade as well. Why do they say so? Because our ECN account could be offering you as low for the execution speed as low as 50 milliseconds.
Yeah. So how does this actually benefits our challengers here? Yeah.
Of course, compete with all world trader, can we get the best price as good as possible? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we also mentioned that they are given a 1 to 500 leverage. How can traders use this wisely, and what's your ideal leverage ratio if you get to choose?
There's a good discussion point.
Yeah.
It's actually been a while since I use a large leverage. Even 500 for me, I think it's very large leverage, because currently I only using less than 100. Okay, let's say I'm using
500.
No, I'll just go through the current leverage for now. 20 leverage, because our trading style is no longer required open many position with high leverage. Overall, that's why I feel that 20 ratio leverage is enough for me. Even 10 leverage is enough for me. So if I able to join for the competition, join with your question just now, I probably would among the top. I will not among the top performer. I'm currently.
Yeah. But anyway, when and why did you start trading? Because like some of them, they have like they started during COVID. Or is that a trigger for you?
Not really, but just that we will continue to stick with my plan because in another way I actually consider as a boring trader.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
For
Because
this
you are swing, right?
Yes, I'm a swing trader, and then for this tournament only take for 2 hours. Then we get a decision to choose the best winner. So actually, it's not for me.
Yeah. Probably the competition that lasts for half a year, it suits you. No, I'm just joking.
No.
There's no competition that lasts for half a year, right?
Mostly will only 1 year or 1 month. Sorry. Like trading
that's-
wheel competition.
Okay. So, like, what would you do if you are one of them right now? You are forced to be in the challenger seat. What are you gonna do? Yeah.
I would also stick with my current plan. Only trade all the instruments that are available in my watch list. Honestly speaking, I wouldn't mind to share what's my current watch list. Mostly will be on indices, such as we can see that now a US 500, or another way to say is S&P 500 is currently big all-time high, and as well as we have technology sector such as US 100. So I will more focus on indices rather than
so-
other instruments. Yeah.
Okay. So he's like a trader that trades, as in he reduces his risk as much as possible, because most of the things that you go is on indices, right?
Yeah.
So indices is a collection of stocks. Yeah. So you get to reduce your risk as well. Yeah. So what happens, right, if because there's so many things that could happen when the data actually drops later, and we are just about 30 minutes away from the actual data drop. What would you do? Like, we usually expect that NFP is gonna make a very big move, but then what if it doesn't move?
It could be a high probability
I mean, anything can
situation
happen.
right now. Yeah, because I feel that the market is totally moving to aggressive for recent 2 years after Fed decide to increase their interest rate until the maximum, if not wrong, is 4.5%. Yeah, it could happen. Totally have no choice until this situation happen. I will, how to say that? Just respect the market and then trade for the next best trade.
You mean wait for the next best
Yeah.
one? That means the next data, or just look at the charts and the price action and you wait for something?
It could include it as well. We will look for the best opportunities to trade for other period, not only NFT.
Yeah. Okay. So if there's one piece of advice that you could give our challengers here, what would that be?
Maybe we will feel boring a bit because I'm a swing trader and then I hold trade for a long periods. So that's why everyone just give your very best to participate in this trade. Don't rush for the trades. Just trade the trade that you think that's high probability win rate to secure all those winning.
With this also, can you actually recall, like, what is the trade that is most memorable for you?
You mean single trade or overall?
It can be anything. Can be anything. Anything that is memorable to you. Yeah, if there's something happens, if someone said something and somehow the market moves in your way and you make a very big profit, or even it can also be a loss. Yeah, because the market happens, right? There are some very surprising things that happen, because during COVID, oil went into negative. At least I've never seen that before. Yeah, but So what about you?
Okay, for your explanation, I totally flashback. During the COVID period, it's considered economic recession, right? I do make a good profit from the market on low point, but after 1 to 2 years, because I don't have any experience to manage all those profits, I totally too excited to have those profit. Roughly, I just announced amount, roughly 100K USD. But without proper risk management, I lose all the amount as well. That's totally memorable memory for me.
Yeah, we can see here. We can see here from the charts. Yeah, so Tewari has entered 3 trades here. Most of is on Bitcoin and gold. Yeah, and
And the cryptocurrency as well.
So Madhav is still waiting for the data, and Radhima Puri is still waiting for the data as well. And yeah, most of Kunal is waiting for the data as well. So most of them are waiting for the data, I think. Yeah, so we are 30 minutes away. And okay, let's look at Shubhra Tewari chart. So he's trading Bitcoin. Let's look at that. Yeah, so he's going long on Bitcoin here, and he's going long on gold. Yeah, what do you think? Like, why is he doing this trade?
BTC, let's see. For my opinion, I think BTC going to break a new high. So there have been retests for the peak point for in daily chart. I think roughly 3 times. It could be high probability to have a breakout today, but let's see the data release first.
Okay. Yeah. Can we move around and talk with our KOLs and see what they are thinking right now? Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. So Radhima. Yeah, you haven't opened any trades right now. Yeah. What are you looking at?
I'm just waiting for the price action to form. I have these 2 levels.
Yeah.
Above this, I'm going to buy, and below this, I will plan to sell.
So it's like a stop order trade, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If the market push one side.
yeah.
Do you usually trade like this?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, before that, please look at the camera and say hi to your supporters over here. Yeah. All right, you have a few fans we can see there in the chat really supporting you all the way from India. And yeah, how are you feeling right now?
Great. It's good to be a part of such a campaign.
All right, and you did come all the way from India. You're sitting here right now, you have 2 hours. What's your approach on this?
On approach on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have my plan ready. I'll just wait patiently. I am not a hurry trader. I'll sit patiently, wait for my setup. And if the setup forms, I'll plan for it accordingly.
Yeah. All right, well, all the best to you. And
Yeah.
good luck. We'll talk to you again.
Yeah. Hi, Kunal.
Hi. You want to say hi to your supporters? All right. If you have one word to tell them or something to tell your supporters over here, what is it going to be?
I have to say first ki, where are you guys? Come fast. Come fast.
And comment your support, show your support, react on the live while they are here trading.
Yeah, so basically I'm waiting for my setup is okay, can I take a trade, then I will continue.
All right. And are you nervous at all, Kunal?
No?
No? Okay. All of our...
I will place a buy trade right now. I will not tell, they will listen.
Okay, he does not want to let his strategy out there, okay? Smart trader. All right. All the best to you then. We will speak to you in a bit.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Hi, Shubhra. Please say hi to your supporters. All right. How are you feeling right now? It's about, 20 minutes in. How are you feeling?
Yeah, feeling good. I'm already taking 3 trades. So gold trade is positive now, and rest of 2 trade is negative. So let's see what happens.
All right. Well, you are moving fast. You are going in. You are, I would say, risking it, eh? I mean, bigger risk, bigger reward, right? So, all right. Well, all the best to you, and we will talk to you in a bit. Also, guys, you have some refreshments over here. You can step out anytime to have a little bite or drink. And Madhav, our star, your supporters are flooding the comments. So, how are you feeling right now? You are about 20-30 minutes in.
I'm feeling really good, and it's great that supporters are there to support me. It's feeling nice. Keep coming, keep supporting.
Yeah, and all right, when it comes to NFP, are you more of a sniper or scalper?
It depends on the day conditions and the timing and sessions as well. Sometimes sessions are nice, right? We need to scalp also riding when there are different sessions of different countries depending on that period of time.
All right, he is really, he has thought about his strategies. We can see that Madhav is very focused right now. And I want to ask you, how did you mentally prepare for today? Music, meditation, or just vibes? Good vibes.
Only sleep.
All right, I mean, sleep is important. All right, Madhav, all the best to you. And now to our supporters, keep on reacting in the live chat. Continue commenting your favorite traders' names in the comments. And now we will be taking a 10 minutes break. We will come back after 10 minutes for another interview. And good luck to all of our traders. and we're back. And since it's been quite some time now, shall we pull up the leaderboard and see who's on top right now at the moment? Let's see how everyone is doing. For the people online, keep going with your support. Type down who you are supporting. React to this live, and soon we'll be having another giveaway as well. And we're actually minutes away from the NFP release, yeah?
Yeah, we are 23 minutes.
13
minutes away. My math is so bad.
You're a trader, eh?
Yeah. Last minute panic, you know.
Yeah, I understand. So I can't even imagine like the nerves that our 4 traders are feeling right now.
Yeah.
Plus they're on live.
Yeah.
Eyes are on you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so just now when we were announcing our first lucky draw, I'm gonna announce the answers for you. So if you look above me, there's this logo, Do Prime logo, and also Manchester United logo. So yeah, we are Manchester United is the partner of Do Prime. Yeah, so we actually partners with them, and we even have a VIP box in Old Trafford. Yeah, so we have put in the names of the winners in the chat room, and you can look whether your name is there. Yes.
And to claim the prize, don't forget to DM us via our Facebook or Instagram account to verify and redeem your prizes. Now, alright June, we are soon entering the second half of the challenge. Let's remind everyone what's at stake. Yeah, so for the 3rd and 4th places, you would be getting the Elite Trader prize, which is 2 accounts of $688 DP funded account each, plus the profit made during this live. And for our first runner-up, you will be winning a $2,000 DP funded account plus the profit made during this live trade. And for our champion, for our first prize, you would be winning a $5,000 DP funded account plus the profit made during this live trading challenge. So data is dropping really soon, about 11 minutes now. This is the real pressure cooker moment. Now, June, you are a trader yourself. Can you give us a little explanation or a little, based off your experience, how do you deal with NFP trading? What is NFP for our viewers online?
Yeah, just to share, just some knowledge sharing here. Yeah, so what is NFP? It's called non-farm payroll. It's the changes in the number of paid employees in the US, excluding the farm workers, some government employees, and the private household. Yeah, so usually within the week, it's released in the first week of every month, and it's usually released on Friday of the first week of the month. But it just happens that, tomorrow the US is having a public holiday, so the time for the release, the date for the release has been shifted 1 day forward. So there is another jobs data that is usually, what the traders or investors take in as a precursor to the NFP. Mm-hmm. And do you know what it's called? It starts with an A.
ADP.
Wow, you're smart, Janu. It's
Right.
So it's called ADP, the ADP payroll. So so it's released on Wednesday, and we have seen on the data that the number has dropped 33,000. So
okay, I think you're giving some really good insights here, for our traders trading live. That's good. Keep going.
Okay, I'm not giving in any tips. It's just what the data says, and I just follow what the data says. I don't control the market. Whatever happens.
True.
Yeah.
All right, everyone. While we are waiting for the data release, let's do another giveaway. Now, here's how you can win prizes tonight. We are giving away $20 credits to 10 lucky winners every 30 minutes and one grand prize of $200 credits live during this stream. Now, to enter, just scan the QR code on the screen, create a Do Prime account, answer a quick question that we will be giving you, submit your response for a chance to win, including the $200 grand prize. To claim your prize, send us a DM via our Facebook or Instagram account to verify and redeem your prizes. And that's it. All right. Are you guys ready for the second giveaway? I want to see you guys react online. Comment that you're ready for the second giveaway. Let's go. Let's bring the hype up. Let's bring the energy up. And I will be giving you the next question in a little while.
Yeah, Madhav sir is love.
Yeah. Radhima as well.
Yeah.
You guys are getting a lot of support. All of you guys here, all four of you, you have such strong supporters. And I love that because you're all over here in Malaysia and your supporters are still supporting you all the way from India. That is a lot of love, guys. So
Keep it
amazing.
up. Yeah.
All right. Now looking at the leaderboard.
Leaderboard.
The leaderboard. On the first, we have Shubhra. Amazing. And first runner-up, we have
Shubhra
Kunal and Radhima and Madhav coming after. All right. Now this leaderboard is being updated live. So it will be changing every now and then, and we will be keeping up with you live during this challenge. Now, for the second giveaway, are you ready? Are you ready?
I am.
All right.
I am.
All right. Second question is, once a trader passes the DP-funded challenge, what's the maximum percentage of profits they can keep? Again, once a trader passes the DP-funded challenge, what's the maximum percentage of profits they can keep? Let's see. Type your answers in the comments. All right, we see some answers. All right. Okay, I'll give you. Okay. All right, I see.
Okay, that's 100%. That's 10 to 20%.
80.
That's 80.
90. All right, I will give you a little hint. It is higher than 70%. All right, the question is, once a trader passes the DP-funded challenge, what's the maximum percentage of profits they can keep? The hint is, it's higher than 70%.
Yes, I have another hint here. It's less than 100%.
Yeah, we're really narrowing it down for you all. All right. Okay, we will pause for a little bit for the answers to come in, and our live assistant will be getting your names and randomly picking the right answers for our 10 winners for the second giveaway.
And make sure you have the percentage with your number, and it's not just the number. You must type in the percentage.
Yes. All right. Well, we are 5 minutes away from the NFP data drop. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm excited. I'm
You're
so
excited?
excited.
Yeah,
At
because
least-
you're not nervous. You're not trading
Yeah,
right
not
now,
trade.
right?
Exactly. I wanted to say that.
I'm nervous
How
for them. But they seem
Yeah,
really
they're
calm
so
and
chill right
collected,
now.
no?
Yo.
Yeah. All right. Piece of advice before, or like words of wisdom before the NFP release?
I think they have their strategies in. Radhima is waiting for the market to move. She has a plan. She has put in her, her levels that, and waiting for the market to wake up. Yeah, and the others, they are already in the trade. We will check again the leaderboard later and see
Alright.
how their strategy works out.
All right.
Yeah, just a recap on NFP. So the previous data is 139,000, and the consensus is 110,000, and the forecast is 100,000. Now we are waiting for the actual data to drop.
All right. We are minutes away from the NFP data drop. The tension's building. This is where a single candle can change the leaderboard, and every second counts. So let's see who makes it on top. Yeah. But before we start reviewing the accounts, I would like to invite another expert trader to join this session. Welcome, Isaac.
Yeah, while Isaac is coming, let's be reminded as well, besides the NFP, there's also another economic data that will get released. So at the same time, unemployment rate, which is 4.2% in the previous month, will be released at the same time as well. So there might be some mixed data, or the data might align. We will see in 3 minutes. So here we have Isaac with us. Isaac, can you introduce yourself?
Hello guys, my name is Isaac and it's my pleasure to be here, and I have been trading for 6 years till now.
Wow, that's a very long time. How did you
Very
get
long.
started, right?
Yeah. Actually, one of my friends introduced me to CFD during when I was 18. That's how I get started trading till now.
Oh, so your circle of friends, they trade as well?
Yes, they did.
I think many of us, learn from our friends, and I think most of our challengers, just now we were, chatting with them as well. They get to know, this industry from their friends as well. And even they, once they get into this industry, this is where they get to start learning from their friends and even the veterans also in the industry.
Yes.
Yeah. So like you have a mentor that teaches you?
Yeah, I used to, but now we part ways. I go my own ways, he go his own ways.
So you have a different strategy.
Different strategy. Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
okay. So NFP is just 2 minutes away.
minutes away. I'm
Yeah,
excited.
you're excited. I think,
Yes.
how do you trade the NFP? Yeah, you're a
Probably-
scalper, right?
Yeah, disclaimer, right? NFP comes, buy stop, sell stop, quick money, in, out.
Buy stop, sell stop.
Yes.
It sounds like one of our participants' strategy as well.
Yeah, I did see.
Okay. Okay, let's look at their charts again. Okay, so
1 more minutes, guys.
yeah. So right now, Shubhra has one
That's a
trade
sell.
ongoing. It's a sell on go. Yeah. And Madhav has 3 trades. He's still holding his trade.
Madhav have different kind of trades.
Yeah, so it's all on crypto right now.
Buy and sell, buy and
Yeah.
sell. Yes, I like that strategy. The next one.
The next one,
We are 30 seconds in.
we are 30. Yeah, okay. So Radhima is still waiting.
Radhima is still waiting,
Yeah,
yes.
holding on to her strategy. And Kunal right now
Kunal is
is on
buying.
go. Yes. So let's wait.
Let's wait for the news to come.
Yeah, how many seconds away are we right now?
XAU.
XE. Yeah.
Alright,
Okay. Yeah, I
Wow.
think the data is out.
what a
We-
good trade by
Yeah.
Shubhra.
Yeah.
Wow, gold is
Wow.
dropping right now. Wow. 100 pips, 200 pips almost.
It's moving down. It's
It's
moving down.
Yes.
The candle is
It
very big.
closed.
Yeah,
Good
yes.
trade.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Subra.
What about next one?
Yeah, the next one that we are looking at right now is with Madhav.
Madhav.
Yeah, so yeah, Bitcoin is
Madhav
not
is
going
buying and
anywhere.
selling, Yes.
Bitcoin is not going anywhere right now. Yeah, why is crypto not moving at all?
No idea.
This is the Nasdaq
Radhima
chart.
Puri is buying.
Oh,
What a nice trade by Radhima.
yeah, very
Yes,
nice, very nice.
trade.
Good
Quit
strategy.
in, quit out. Yes,
Yeah,
I like that.
exactly as what you suggested.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so Kunal is currently down by a little.
9%.
And I think they have exited his trade as well. Probably he will come back later. So we will check again, yeah, when the chart is moving. Okay, so this is a 1 hour chart. Okay, so we were looking at the wrong time frame just now.
Madhav is selling right now.
Yes. So Bitcoin has some volatility here.
Yes, I can see.
Yeah.
Bitcoin spike up and spike down.
Yeah.
Madhav is going for the momentum.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, that's why he's buying and selling right now.
Yes.
Is yeah, very much looks like how the candle is working right now. It's going up and down, but in the end, it's still going back to the original. Yeah, very quite close to the original price where, you know, before the NFP get released. Yeah. So right now, what we have. The leaderboard again, so Shubhra is up 67%. That's amazing, man.
Very nice trade.
You know, in 2 minutes, he has made 67%. Wow.
That's a lot, you know.
Yeah, and we are waiting for Radhima's percentage right now. And yeah, Radhima has made 16% at the moment. That's a very good job
Very
as well.
good too.
Yeah, because you made that in 2 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, how often do you make this amount? In
Seldom.
2 minutes.
Seldom, very
Yeah.
seldom.
So it's a very great trade here.
Yes.
So yeah, we can see on the Madhav chart right now. It's on Bitcoin again. It's on 1 minute chart. We are looking at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, there's a lot of trades here. So this is a great strategy, right? We are looking
He's
at.
layering across
Yeah.
buy and sell.
Yeah, it looks like Bitcoin is still not going anywhere.
What about gold?
Yeah, let's look at another.
Gold is dropping.
Yeah. Well, it seems like Shubhra is holding on to his profit and he's not putting in any more trades. Yeah, so we have a buy limit here with Radhima.
From
Yeah,
UJ.
on UJ, on USD JPY. Let us turn on the chart right now. Yeah. Okay, let us look at it. Wow,
This one-
UJ
yeah, I can
has a
see
very
she's
big
waiting for a
spike as
reversal.
well. Yeah. So, yeah, it's a buy limit. It's a reversal, and then she will enter again. Yeah, but at the moment, I think we are so hyped up on the charts and the earnings. We have not seen the data. So here we are. The actual is 147,000. And the unemployment rate is 4.1%. Wow.
Wow.
I'm surprised there's a drop on unemployment rate. Wow.
It's a good data. It means US market is strong. US currency is strong.
Yeah.
That's why gold dropped so much just now.
Yeah.
You seldom see that. 200 pips, 250 pips from XAUSD, from NFP, you seldom see that.
Yeah, I think that's why, you know, the data is so aligned that yeah, the data is so aligned that we have seen you know, a one-sided move. Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So coming back to us, we will wait again for the market to move, and we will come back later to catch what's happening. Yes.
Sure.
So, yeah, Isaac. So, I will probably invite Janu back again.
Okay.
Yeah, and she will talk to you about, you know, the markets and some of your trading psychology. So, I'm moving out, and Janu will come in. Yes. So before that as well, just to update the entire leaderboard. Yeah, so Shubhra is 66% up and Radhima is 16% up. Kunal is under by 8% and Madhav is under by 46%. So we'll come back and check this leaderboard again later.
Hi, Isaac. I am joined
Hi.
by another veteran, a trading veteran, a full-time trader now with
Yes.
tons of live trading experience. Welcome, Isaac.
It's my pleasure to be here, and again, I'm excited for these 4 traders. We invite you.
Yeah. How are you feeling right now looking at them trading live for 2 hours with this time limit as well?
The tense is in. You mean trading NFP,
Yeah.
where volatile is coming in,
Yeah.
trading news, very excited.
The tension is so much, you can feel it in the room. Traders are focused, you can see them. And so I would like to tap into a bit on trading psychology because I feel like I mentioned earlier, like traders have such strong mindset, and not just a strong mindset, but you need to be having a clear mindset, and also you need to know how to adapt to situations, you know, because the market is always moving.
Yes.
And while you're trading, you have to react to the market. So I really want to understand that a little bit more. So let me start by asking you, do you trade NFP? Why or why not?
Actually, I do trade NFP because it's easy money.
Okay.
Due to the volatile, you can earn few thousand, 10,000 very quick in a span of 30 seconds, 15 seconds, or even 10 seconds.
But wouldn't that mean it's easy or quick to lose as well?
Yes, high risk come with high reward.
Fair, that's fair. All right then, I want to ask you, can you remember your very first NFP trading experience? What went right, what went wrong? Can you kind of paint us a picture on like how you first started?
Very good question. It was at 2019, if I was not mistaken. That time, I trade NFP. It's my first time.
Okay.
And during that day, I was right about the news. But the wrong side is, I trade small lots.
Oh.
I left a lot of potential profits on the table. Very bad.
Okay. But you didn't actually lose, did you?
No, I didn't.
All right, Isaac, come on. You're too hard on yourself. You won the trade. Maybe the reward was a little small.
Very small.
But you still did it. It wasn't a bad experience, would you say?
It wasn't.
It wasn't. It was
It
just.
wasn't. It's very
yeah.
good.
And having to deal with that, you know, as a trader yourself, how do you move past that, knowing that, you know, I could have earned so much more only if, you know, like I place bigger trades? How do you approach that feeling after?
That feeling, it's actually, that kind of feeling is not a good feeling. It's greed. You don't greed. You need to appreciate what you get, and you need to have risk management.
Yeah.
That's how I do that. But during my first trading, I was not experienced. That's why I have the mindset of getting greedy.
But that was when you first started, right?
Yes.
And now, 6 years in, how's your mentality going in trading?
6 years in right now, I'm very disciplined, I'm very patient with my trades. I don't FOMO, I don't jump right back in. I just keep calm, plan, and execute as my plan.
All right. Well, okay, I want to ask you if you have a reset button when a session goes sideways, not the way you want.
Actually, I do. When the session goes sideways, it's like very tiring. I just leave my workstation, go out for the walk, or the run, or go for a swim. Only then I come back and trade.
What I'm hearing is a lot of, well, go for a walk, go for a run, go for a swim. It sounds like almost you have so much stress in your head that you need to physically, you know, like let it out.
You need
is
to
it?
go out, because if you don't leave your workstation, you're still, the zone is there. You still got the access to your terminal. You can trade there. You don't FOMO in. That's why you need to get out everything, get the distraction out. Only then you can get your mind cleared up.
All right, I'm curious, how did you figure out that this is your way? This is your reset button. Have you ever stayed there and kept on going and it didn't go well?
Actually, I did once. Because that time when I was trading, it goes sideways. Then I jump into another application, I play games. While I was playing, I see the chart and said, come on, opportunity comes again. And I entered again and lose again.
Okay.
That's why I find another way that I should go out for the
Alright.
walk.
So you realize that
Yes.
closing the app, going to play a game is not the way. You
not
need to
the
just
way.
step away.
Yes.
That's interesting. That's very interesting. All right. And how do you personally stay calm during those first 5 to 10 seconds after the NFP hits?
I have a stress ball. Yes, when I was trading NFP, I got a stress ball on my left hand, mouse on my right hand, waiting for it. I squeeze it. When the news come, I wait and I execute.
All right. I want you to describe something for me. What is your trading workstation? How does your trading workstation look like?
My trading workstation is monitor on the left,
Okay.
monitor on the right,
Okay.
one keyboard
Okay.
and one mouse, full focus.
And the stress ball. Don't forget the stress
Yeah,
ball.
the stress ball is
Yeah.
definitely on the left because I need the right hand to execute my trades.
All right, well, thank you for painting
Yes.
that picture. Now, let's look at the leaderboard and see who's running on top and who's coming in very close to the top. Shall we? All right. Okay, all the best again to all of our traders. And all right, let me continue here. Thank you for giving us a little insight as to how your workstation looks like. And has there ever been an NFP where you completely misread the market? And what did you take from that?
The time is when I was right about NFP, but the thing is I lost money because this is because of mixed data reaction. NFP goes up, but the thing is I forgot about the bigger picture. NFP, unemployment rate, and jobless income. That's why you get data mixed reaction. The market just go up, go down, and I lost.
Okay, and what did you get from that? Because, well, I guess you realized that you needed to look at the bigger picture.
Yes.
Yeah? And I'm guessing that was the beginning of how it was like?
The first 2 years of that, yes.
All right, but trading is a, what do you call it? Like, what's the word for it? Like you need to experience it to learn from it,
Yes,
right?
you need to go there, experience it, only then you learn from your losses.
Yeah, I don't think there's a trader in this world. I don't know, maybe there is a
There
perfect
is.
trader.
No, there's not.
No?
There is not. No one
Every
is perfect.
trader has
yes.
lost something,
yes.
like has had a bad trade, right?
Yes.
Okay, but who knows? Maybe there is one. Well,
I think
if
so.
you think you are a perfect trader and you've never had any bad trades, do comment below on the live chat because we are looking for you. All right?
I need that as my mentor.
Yeah, we all need you. All right. Okay. And what's the most dangerous thing traders do during news events?
Basically, you're going full margin before news. That's very risky. Very risky.
Can
You can blow your accounts within seconds.
Wow.
Within seconds. Not even 2 seconds. After 1 second of data release, you've blown your account.
Wow.
That's a gamble.
Yeah. You see, okay, I think there are a lot of misconceptions around trading as well for people who don't trade, surprisingly, where they might think that it's a gamble, but it's not. Like right now, the traders are trading NFP, which is an economic data, right?
Yes.
And like what Isaac said earlier, you need to look at bigger pictures, unemployment rate, so many things. So I think how you see it and how you approach trading is very, very important because it's all about mindset and it's all about your approach. All right, and Isaac, are you someone that plans or reacts during data drop?
I plan during market making phase.
Okay.
That means I plan
Before.
waiting break of structure. Only then, when I've got confirmation, I enter, I execute.
Okay, so you're more of like, you would plan rather than react.
Yes, I plan first. If the plan is on my plan, then I execute.
Oh,
if
and
it's
if
not
it-
my plan,
then you have to react on the spot.
Yes.
All right, this is what I meant about traders, like really knowing how to adapt to situations. All right, and Isaac, what indicators do you trust for news trading, if any?
I don't use indicators.
Oh,
Pure technical price action.
wow.
Price action.
Why is that?
The candle tells the story. Indicators doesn't tell anything. It's fixed.
So indicators are more like
A guideline.
a guideline.
A guideline, yes.
So once you reach a certain level, you can either dispose them but every trader starts with indicators?
Some start with, they use indicator to identify support and resistance zone. Some doesn't. Some just naked chart.
Yeah, but
I
for
see it
you,
goes up, I buy.
yeah, for you it's not a
For
thing,
me, it's
eh?
not a thing.
All right. What patterns or price behaviors do you notice tend to repeat themselves after NFP drops? And this could be a hint.
It could
or
be a hint, it could be a
alright?
hint.
But who knows? All right.
So as you can see right now, gold is going down. When gold goes down, it means it's sweeping liquidity right now and looking for momentum. We have to wait. Don't react. Don't FOMO first. Wait until momentum coming in. Only you go with the momentum.
All right. And I think that was some good like a really good hint there.
Disclaimer.
Yeah, disclaimer. This is not any trading advice. It is just an
My
opinion,
my strategy.
from his experience. All
6
right.
years of trading.
Yeah. And have you ever set out on an NFP on purpose? What led you to that decision?
Yes, I did once. I think it's like last year. Market has been consolidating for days. Not for hours, for days. That's how you know where's big momentum coming in.
Whoa,
That's
okay.
why I set out and I did not do any trades.
All right. Do you think that was a good decision on your
Yes.
side?
Yes.
Yeah?
It was a very, very, very good decision. Because that time, when the news came out, the market is like dancing, you know? Candles are dancing up
Okay.
and down, up and down.
Okay.
That's why it's very good. It's a very good decision.
I see. All right. Well, let's look at the leaderboard because we have been chatting for a bit. Let's see what's going on. How's the momentum looking? Let's pull up the leaderboard. All right. So we have still running first is Shubhra. And right after Shubhra is Radhima.
She's catching up.
Yeah, and for our third and fourth, we have Kunal and Madhav. All right, okay, looking good, looking good. All right, keep going, guys. And for the supporters, please react in the comments. React as much as you can. Show your support to the traders here today, live, all the way in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And comment below who you're supporting, who do you want to win. Let's go. All right. And Isaac, what's something you wish someone told you when you were trading your first NFP?
Very good question.
Yeah.
If I was trading NFP, you need to come and tell your friends, do not use your main account to trade NFP. You could lose that within seconds.
Okay. So what do you use then?
You need a sub account or alt account. That means if your main account is 1,000, you take 100 out, make another account, and you use that account to trade.
Yeah, and basically what you're saying is like have risk management. It's very
Yes.
important.
Yes.
Yeah, it is. Like, have you ever heard of, I don't know whether an experience from you or your colleagues or a fellow trader that didn't have really good risk management and things went downhill?
Yes. When I was high school, my friend, he earns a fortune.
In high school?
Yes.
Wow.
He earns a fortune from Bitcoin. He has $10,000 US. And he said that, okay, that's my first fortune. I'm looking for another one. He moved on to CFD, and the next day, he lost everything.
Yeah.
That was a bad one.
There was no
I will
rich
never
management.
forget that. It was a bad
Yeah,
one.
because you're telling me like this is in high school and wow. So yeah, guys, for every traders out there, remember to manage your risks when it comes to trading. That is very, very important. All right. And now we will be having our third lucky draw. All right, everyone. Here's how you can win prizes tonight. We are giving away $20 credits to 10 lucky winners every 30 minutes and one grand prize of $200 credits live during this stream. Now to enter, just scan the QR code on your screen and create a Do Prime account. Answer a quick question that we will be giving you in a bit and submit your response for a chance to win, including the $200 grand prize. To claim your prize, send us a DM via our Facebook or Instagram channel to verify or to redeem your prizes, and that's all. All right, are you guys ready for the third question?
Drum roll, please.
Drum roll. All right, Do Prime is celebrating an anniversary this year. How many years is Do Prime celebrating in 2025? I will give you guys about like a minute to put in your answers. How many years is Do Prime celebrating this year? Again, the question, all right, we see some answers.
There's one good answer.
All right. Someone said 12, 11, 10. All right. I'll give you a hint. One of those answers is right. Alright? The question is, Do Prime is celebrating an anniversary this year. How many years is Do Prime celebrating in 2025?
Hope I see a correct answer.
Yeah. Alright.
From Wiz. Congrats.
Okay.
That's a good answer.
Good answer.
Gita Bhatia.
Alright.
Correct.
I will give you guys a hint. 2 years ago, we celebrated our 9th anniversary. So what year are we celebrating this year? Alright, that was a really good hint, yeah?
Very good.
Alright, so our live assistant is tabulating the winners right now. Okay, a lot of right answers coming in right now. You're welcome. Alright, now Isaac,
Yes.
if a new trader asks you whether they should trade NFP or sit it out, what would you say and why?
I would tell them to trade during the news release
Okay.
and not before. Because when you trade before the news release, it's like a gamble. You turn trading into gambling. You just trade and pray and hope for the news to come in your direction. That's gamble.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, and has your approach to trading high impact news changed from when you first started until now?
Yes, actually. I tend to become patient right now. I become disciplined, be
Okay.
patient.
Alright.
When a setup I miss it. I don't FOMO in.
Alright. Okay. And if you only have, okay, well, right now, 4 of our traders here, they have 2 hours to trade NFP. And if you were one of them, if you were seated like there, and you had 2 hours only to trade NFP, how would you approach it?
Actually, I will use 1 hour of my time to identify the key zone, support, resistance, the liquidity zone, and the fair value gap you can set. After I identify everything, I wait for the news. When news come in, I see how they react in the zone.
Okay.
If they react in the zone, I wait for confirmation. Only then, I will get in.
Alright. Okay, well, Isaac, if you have any advice that you would like to, or words of wisdom, or words of support for 4 of our traders here, what would it be?
I mean, guys, you still got 1 more hour. Don't worry if you're losing. Don't celebrate early if you're winning. They will catch up. Everything can turn different ways,
Yeah.
so very fast.
Yeah, well, to be fair, they have less than an hour. They have about 30 minutes. So, yeah, if you want to panic, go ahead. All right, now let's pull up the leaderboard and see who is on the top. All right, so we have, still standing on top, we have Shubhra Tewari. All right, guys, Shubhra is standing like really strong. That's really nice to see. And our first runner-up so far is Radhima. All right, and for our 3rd and 4th, we have Kunal and Madhav.
Actually, do you know?
Yeah.
I'm actually surprised by Shubhra Tewari trades.
Yeah.
He gets before the news, he jump in before the news,
Yeah.
he secure his profit.
Yeah.
I think he secure 10% of it. Then after that, during the news, he earned another 50%.
That is so
Very good trade.
Yeah, like you can see that. Okay, I understand big risk, big
Yes, but
reward,
very risky.
yeah, risky. But I feel like he is calculated. You know, like
Yes.
he saw into the future, man. Okay.
Yeah, I did. I did see he got
Yeah.
set SL.
Yeah.
It's a good trade.
Yeah, so really good. Shubhra, keep going. And everyone else, keep going. To the supporters online, please show more and more support for the traders over here, trading live. This is what they need most right now, the love and support from their supporters. And please type in the names for the trader you want to win.
Who would it be?
Yeah, who would it be? We shall see. We have about 34 minutes to go, so time is ticking, guys. All right, Isaac, I would like to play a game with you.
A game?
Yes.
Okay.
Are you down?
Yes, I'm down.
Okay. All right, so the game, let me explain it. This is almost like a rapid fire game.
Okay.
So I will be giving you a lot of questions really fast.
Bring it to me.
Okay, and try not to think too much about it. Just go ahead, answer. It's about trading, a bit on trading psychology. It will be a mixture too, you know.
Yeah, sure, come.
All right,
Come,
ready?
just come at it. I'm born ready.
All right, he's born ready, guys. Let's go. All right, in 3, 2, 1. Scalping or swing trading?
Scalping.
Technicals or fundamentals?
Technicals.
Risk 1% or 5%?
5%.
First chart you open in the morning?
XAU.
Okay, gold. Favorite trading pair or instrument?
Gold.
Okay. Win rate or risk reward?
Risk reward.
Okay, MT4, trading view or C trader?
MT4.
Most used indicator?
None.
Okay, you don't use indicators,
Yes.
yeah? Biggest trading pet peeve?
It's like I jump into a trade, few seconds later, I got stopped out.
Yeah, that feeling is not great, yeah?
Not great at all.
Okay. Cut losses or hold and hope?
Cut. You need to cut.
Cut your losses short, take what you got,
Yes.
bounce. Red day or miss setup, which hurts more?
Red day. Very bad.
One word to describe NFP day?
Money.
Money, alright. Trade alone or in a community?
Community.
What's your I'm in the zone ritual?
I'm in the zone ritual. Very good one.
What's your I'm in the zone ritual when you're trading, when you're in your zone?
When I was trading, I would clear all my distraction.
Okay, what would be your
I would
distraction?
just silent my phone.
Wow.
Silent because message will keep coming in. Yes, I would silent that, leave that aside, and just focus on my trade.
So you are someone that doesn't... Do you listen to music? I'm curious when you're trading.
Nope.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Wow. Okay, interesting. Alright. News trader or avoid news?
News trader,
Overtrade or undertrade, which is worse?
overtrade.
Favorite trading book or resource?
Baby Pips and YouTube.
Alright. Last trade you regretted?
Last month,
What trade was it?
it was like gold.
Okay. Alright. Ever revenge traded? Be honest.
Yes.
Alright. Best time of the day to trade?
9:30 and 11:15 GMT +8.
That is very specific. Alright. Trading is more skill, psychology, or luck.
Skill.
One habit that changed your trading game?
Patient.
What keeps you coming back to the charts?
Get rich quick mindset.
I like that. Okay, really good mindset. Okay, trade NFP or skip it?
Trade. You need to trade it.
Enter before or after the drop?
After.
Fast fingers or wait for confirmation?
Wait for confirmation.
Tight SL or wide breathing room on NFP day?
Tight SL.
Most memorable NFP trade, green or red?
Green.
Okay. Best NFP month of the year to trade?
June.
June. All right. When are we now? July. Okay.
Yeah, July
All
right
right.
now.
Do you adjust lot? Do you adjust lot sizes on NFP days?
Yes, I go smaller.
Hold through slippage or exit fast?
Exit fast.
Which pair reacts best to NFP for you?
Go.
Gold. And you really love gold.
I really love gold.
Okay.
The volatile is so good, you know.
NFP setups, breakout or mean reversion?
Breakout.
All right. Well, thank you so much,
It's my
Isaac.
pleasure
It
to be
has
here.
been an amazing session with
Yes.
you. All right. I'm going to call June back in to review some accounts with you and see how our contestants are doing right now. All right? No.
Now our participants here, we have some food for them as well. And we can see that Subar is very chill right now, enjoying his pizza here.
He's in the first place.
He's in the first place, right? Yeah, so I'm back and let's look at the leaderboard again. So we have seen some retracement here. This is the gold chart. Okay, let's look at the leaderboard. So Subra is still on top with 66%. I think he's chilling right now.
It's really chilling.
Yeah. So Radhima has went up to 36%, and
She's
Kunal.
catching up.
Yes, she's catching up. So Kunal is at under by 14%, and Madhav is under by 54%. Yeah. So, but anyway, probably this retracement is another setup that is forming. Who knows? We
Who
will
knows?
see
Most
later.
probably.
Yeah, maybe they will see a setup later, and yeah, we will see again the leaderboard. Yes. So, Isaac,
Yes.
you have been chatting a lot with Janu. Yeah. So by looking at the charts right now, did you see anything?
Right now, the gold has dropped a whopping 300 pips.
Wow.
You don't get that every day.
It's-
Not even this year.
Wow.
This is the first time from this year I saw that gold drop 300 pips
In 2 minutes.
in 2 minutes.
Wow.
No, in just a few.
In just
10
a few
10,
minutes.
15
Yeah.
minutes, yes.
Yeah.
It's a very good one.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, we are probably waiting for a reversal back to the initial zone, or gold will continue to drop. But trading is a game of probabilities. You have to wait for confirmation. Only then you execute your plan.
Yeah. So I think I see a pattern here. Did you see it on the 1 minute chart?
Actually, I didn't see any pattern 1 minute, but I expected this drop.
Okay.
If you can see from, because I'm a technical trader, right?
Yeah.
I'm a price action trader.
Okay, just a reminder, this is not any tips, it's
Yes.
just what we are looking at right now, and just an opinion by Isaac.
Yes,
Yeah.
disclaimer.
Yeah.
So I trade chart patterns. If you can see from 1 hour, you can see there's a bearish rising wedge from here, where price goes high, lower high, high again, lower high again, and that's, you can identify this as bearish rising wedge. And then when news drop, when news release, the price goes down. That's how chart patterns work.
Yeah, cool. So even on this 1 hour time frame, we can see that it has become a resistance there, right?
yeah.
It has break the support right now. Yeah.
It broke this support. Maybe it's going for a reversal right now because there's liquidity here. It dropped so much. It took this liquidity. Most probably it's going to go for a reversal. Only then, waiting for the momentum and come down again.
Okay, just curious, what is liquidity?
Liquidity is whereby the buyers and sellers, the retail traders, they set their SL there. So there's a lot of money there for the big traders to grab.
Okay, so it's like it's a zone where
It's a zone.
Yeah, it's a zone. If it passed, then it's kind of hard to get back
Yes.
above it.
Most
is it?
probably, yes.
Okay. So, is there a name for this strategy?
No, I don't think so. There is.
Okay. All right. Can we look at the other charts as well from the other participants, whether they
Looking at
okay.
Bhatia is earning right now.
Yeah. So.
Yes. He has Solana. He's selling Solana, buying Bitcoin.
So he's the crypto guy,
He's a crypto guy,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
Moving on, next is Radhima. She secured her profit already, and she didn't act until now. And the fourth one would be Kunal, and he's waiting.
Yeah. He's look.
Yes. Patience is the key.
Yes.
He's waiting.
Yes. Although, yeah.
Yep.
Okay, great. So, we have been chatting a lot right now. Yeah, the markets have been moving for 30 minutes, 35 minutes already. Usually, how long does this NFP data last in the market? Like, how long does this effect last?
Probably like this news comes out, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, then there's no like volatility, then market retail traders coming back in, find their zone, and start trading another wave of momentum.
Okay. Yeah. Do you think? Yeah. Just now I was reading at the news. Yeah, because I was on a break,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So yeah, there was a lot of news that is coming out about this NFP and even the unemployment,
Oh.
do you think that it will, because, yeah, so this news is everywhere on the web, and they were saying something about the Federal Reserve as well. So,
Did they?
Yeah, they did. So there's something about the interest rate. Can you explain like how this affect?
So when NFP comes out, it will affect the interest rate decision on Fed. When NFP is good, the Fed will most probably like thinking like they should wait, right?
Yeah.
They should wait, do not do anything on the interest rate, so that the economy of US will be better and better.
Yeah, I think the number it has shown that the US economy is still kind of hot right now,
Yes.
and yeah, it's surprising that the unemployment has went down. So so there was one headline that I saw just now that the Federal Reserve might ignore their July cut in the interest rate.
Oh.
Yeah, because in one of the comments by one of the FOMC member that this cut they might actually just ignore it, because like a few weeks back they were discussing whether July is still a good time to do it. Yeah. So looking back at the leaderboard again, the market is still retracing. So right now, Shubhra is still the top. He's keeping his position, and first runner-up, Radhima, at 36%, and Kunal has went up slightly by under 14%, and Madhav is under by 56%. Yeah. So okay. Yeah, I think looking at the charts right now, it's Bitcoin.
I think Bitcoin is going for the reversal.
It's good. What do you mean?
It goes down and it's come back up. It's going for the reversal.
It's a retracement
Yeah,
or
retracement,
reversal?
retracement, yeah.
Ah, okay.
What about gold right now? Gold is actually going for the retracement also. You see? It goes down 300 pips and it goes up another whopping 150 pips or so. Yep, and we can see that Madhav is selling gold right now.
Yeah, so the market is still moving, and we have the leaderboard here. And just to remind everyone that they are winning, the champion here will be winning a $5,000 DP funded account plus any profits that they make. Yeah, so okay, we have seen a new sell here.
From Madhav.
That just from Madhav. Yeah, looks like a very precise sell. Oh, he has closed the trade.
He's trying to scalp.
Yeah, he's scalping it right now. Yeah.
What about? No trade from Shubhra. No trade from Radhima. And no trade from Kunal. They're still waiting. Probably waiting for
Yeah, but
information right now.
while they are waiting, can we play a game?
Sure.
Yeah, I think we have about 20 minutes more to the end of this challenge. That probably we can play a game. Yeah, so I have a game here where you can answer trade or trash.
Okay,
right?
sure.
Yeah, so if here comes the first question. So if gold breaks above 3,300 with an RSI, which is at 85 during
85.
NFP.
NFP, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just hypothetical.
A good answer, yeah.
Yeah. So the move is huge. The momentum looks wow. What's your call? Do you trade or do you trash?
It's a trash.
It's a trash.
It's
Why?
a trash. You can't rely on indicators during news time.
Ah, okay.
You don't rely on them.
Why?
Because momentum comes in, indicators is fixed. They are fixed. They doesn't tell any stories. Probably they go up, sweep up, and a quick move down backwards.
Okay. So the next one, the dollar yen, whipsaw 50 pips in just 2 minutes. It's fast, it's messy. Do you trade or do you trash?
Trash.
Ah, okay. Why?
Market moving fast.
Yeah.
If
And
it- market is dancing right now. If market is dancing, you don't trade, you wait.
I think we see something similar on
You will
Bitcoin
get
just now.
swept out very fast.
Okay. But we saw one from one of our challengers just now on Bitcoin that she's doing some he's doing some grid just now on a whipsaw price movement. I think it's something that we can gain from the experience that
Actually, that's
they
a good strategy.
Yeah.
You buy, you keep on layer. After you finish layer, you try to hedge, secure some bags right now. Yeah, that's kind of good strategy.
Okay. Now, coming back to Bitcoin, if Bitcoin spikes 3% in one candle right after NFP, and no retracement at all, do you trade or do you trash?
3% right after
Yeah.
NFP,
Yeah.
I would definitely trade.
On Bitcoin?
On Bitcoin,
Yeah,
I would
why?
definitely trade. It's a spike. It's a
Okay.
spike. What goes up must come down.
What goes up must come down.
In a spike move on 2 minutes, right?
Yeah.
2
Yeah.
minutes in spiking up. What goes up must come down. It's a spike.
So you are trading the retracement.
Yes.
Okay. So if gold prints a clean shooting star on the 1 minute chart just before NFP hits, what are you gonna do? Do you trade or do you trash?
I do not trade. Trash. 1
Yeah.
minute. News is consolidating. The price is consolidating, waiting for the news. Chart patterns doesn't show anything during the news.
Okay, now the final question. You are already in a profit from a pre-NFP trade,
Okay.
and the price suddenly surged even more. Do you trade or do you trash? That means, do you hold on to your trade or do you get out? Yeah,
I would hold
you would hold.
because you are in a profit, right? You have break even in. You should hold that trades. Wait for the momentum come in. If it go back down, the worst is your break even. You don't win, you don't lose.
Yeah.
Yes, you're in a risk-free zone. You should hold your trades.
So you put your stop loss into your profit.
Yes.
Okay. I think it's quite a good advice, and it is being used by a lot of people. But then it might work for you. It might not work for you.
Might be.
Yeah. So right now we are going for a break. Yes. So we will see you later, and Janu and me will be back again. Thank you.
All right, we are officially in the final 10 minutes of the challenge. Now, this is the moment where strategies are tested, nerves kick in, and every pip counts. So, shall we bring up the leaderboard and let's see who's running at the top? All right, Shubhra is really keeping the top position to himself, not even sharing it for a little while. All right, Radhima as our first runner-up right now, and Kunal and Madhav running on third and fourth. All right. How do you feel right now? We have 10 minutes before the challenge ends.
Yeah, right now probably we can see that the market has kind of cooled down. It's not moving much anymore. It's still moving, but then it's not as intense as when the NFP first came out. But right now, I think if I'm a competitor, probably I will just sit there,
I know.
winning or losing out.
Yeah.
So, but that's just me. Probably they can chase up again. Yeah. So you can either lock in your trades, play it smart and protect your lead, like what Shubhra is doing right now, or you can decide to go even more, and probably that's just one last high risk trade that you take.
Yeah.
But you know, high risk, high reward. Maybe you can chase back. Maybe something else
Alright.
might happen. Yeah.
That's
So,
true. All
Did
right.
you notice anything from this trade
Honestly,
from them tonight?
Honestly, what surprised me was Shubhra really went in really quick, and I didn't know how I felt about that at first. I was like, okay, this guy is going really fast, really fast, really quick. But then now he has proved to be he definitely calculated his moves. He knew what he was doing going in, and come on, the guy was sitting there eating pizza, super chill. Love the
Yeah.
confidence, love the energy. Keep going, and to all our other traders as well, keep going. Your supporters are online. To the supporters who are online in the live chat box, please show your support, react, and put down the names that you want to show support for. Who do you want to win? Whose strategy do you like so far? All right. And June, do you want to go on ground and have a little
sure.
talk with the contestants?
Let's go right now. Yeah.
All right. Radhima, are you free for a talk, or do you want to
Yeah.
focus for a bit?
We are back.
Yeah? All right. How are you feeling right now? Is your heart racing? Because we have about 7 minutes left.
No, I think the markets have already cooled down now, so there's not much we can do now. So when there was move, I told you I was just waiting for my levels. So when the levels broke, I placed my trades accordingly, and it's good. I am sitting at a good, I think 30%, which is fine. As I told you, I'm into scalping, so that's what I do: quick entry and quick exit.
Yeah, so this is going according to your plans. And all right. And I want to know, is this more intense than your usual trading sessions?
Not intense, but it's quite interesting to be doing this for the first time.
Yeah, like sitting around with your fellow competitors. How do you feel? How is the experience like for you?
It's a great experience to have like-minded people around you and be doing the same thing which we all love. So it's a good experience.
Yeah, all right. Well, to all Radhima supporters, please show your support. Yeah, show your support in the comments, in the live section. All right, and let's move on to Kunal. Hi, Kunal. How are you feeling right now? We have about 5 minutes left.
Nothing, just now hitting my daily stop loss and sitting and chilling. No, nothing much.
All right. And what is your most stressful moment of this challenge so far? Is it right now?
Yeah, basically no, not right now. Basically when the news come, I totally was bullish, I am bullish in gold. So I place a trade. Before that I also take a good trade, as I can show you on here. I plan this. I take this trade and it hits my target also, but I hold my trade, didn't exit at the top, and it comes down. So not an issue. I trade accordingly to my account. I didn't take on the NFPs to more lots than the account. I take only 10 to 15%. It will be profit, it will be loss. I can place here more than account sizing. I can take more lots. Lot side, but I didn't do that usually. So it will be 10% 15% profit or 10% 15% loss. So it is like that.
But it's going the way you want, like you're okay with how it's going?
Yeah, now it's okay. So what? Nothing we can do. So,
Alright.
yeah.
Alright, well, I love your positive energy and keep going. Who knows, in the last 4 minutes something might change, eh? Who knows? Alright. Okay, this guy, the pizza guy. Alright. Okay.
Aloha.
I am so amazed by how chill you are. Okay, I just want to say, like, we chilled for a bit earlier and like you were more quiet, but now I'm looking at your trades and I'm like, alright, and eating pizza is chilling, guys. Alright. How are you feeling right now?
Great. It's great.
Of course.
Okay. Hi.
Alright.
So
How is it going for you so far? Is it going according to plan with all your trades and stuff?
I planned everything and I saw the news and use accordingly this. So it goes.
Alright.
Yeah, just now you entered before the before the data came out, right? Yeah. How did you plan for that?
Actually, the data shows that market can go down and I put the trade. So that's how.
Alright, I'm curious, are you normally a risky trader? Because this time around I think you...
I always taking risk because risk is the key of your success. You know, so risk is important, very important.
Yeah, and risk management is also really important, guys. Alright, but I love what you're doing. Keep going, and we will be ending soon, so we shall see what is going to happen. Hi, Madhav, how are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing good.
Yeah, you have a lot of supporters online, and they are cheering for you right now. They are showing so much love and support. I want to ask you, like, okay, what is the most stressful moment that happened during this challenge?
Nothing much because I was looking to invest more in crypto right now, but I didn't see much movement over there. And suddenly, when news came, right, I went into the gold, but it went upside down. So it's fine because I do take more of risk management over there, and I love taking risk, right? Either it's go that way or that way. Because I love taking risk in all my trades, so it's fine for me whatever the results are. So I don't like. I always tell my audience as well. It's fine. Some days are yours, some days are not yours. But yeah, you should not lose like your faith in the trading, right? Even if you lose, some days might not work for you. Some days will work. But yeah, what I thought today was crypto, but it didn't work my way. It's fine for me right now. Even my audience knows like we are the ones who take the most risk in that community. Yeah, so it's fine.
Exactly. I think trading is so common to have losses and also wins every now and then. So it's a normal phenomenon, and all the best to you. We have about 1 minute left. So thank you. Alright, June, we have 1 minute left before the challenge completely ends. Alright? How are you feeling right now?
Happy for them. Yeah.
Well,
because-
we can't pull up the leaderboard right now because it's gonna give out, you know.
I think it's some very great advice and mindset. Yeah, even though some of them they are down, some of them they are up, they are still not losing their faith into trading.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
All right,
right
we
now,
have 10 seconds left, and 10, 9,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up. To all our traders, the challenge is now officially over. Please stop all your trading activity and step away from your charts.
yeah, I think someone is supporting Madhav. Every day you can't win, but you will
Yeah.
win one day. Yes, very good.
All right. So we will be reviewing your accounts.
Yeah. Yeah, so we will be reviewing your accounts right now. Our team will tabulate it and checking those final P&L numbers and getting everything ready to announce the results. So what an absolute ride it has been tonight. Yeah, it's great meeting you guys as well, even during the lunch that we had just now. Yeah, so seriously, whether you are walking away with third prize, the fourth prize, or you have clinched the first prize, it's a huge respect and a massive congratulations to all our 4 challenges. Now, trading live with everyone watching, the world watching, your every move, that's not easy. It takes guts, it takes focus, and a whole lot of mental strength. So, hats off to you guys, each of you. It's an amazing job tonight. And stay tuned, we are about to reveal who came out on top.
Alright, so while we wait for our live assistants to tabulate the results, we will be giving another giveaway, our final giveaway before the grand giveaway. So guys, it's that time of the night again.
Yeah, it's the last one we have tonight. It's our last lucky draw. So if you haven't get it, it's now your time. Yeah, so this is our last lucky draw and your last shot, and we are giving away $20 of trading credits to 10 lucky winners. And of course, there's that one grand prize that we haven't give out yet, and that's the $200 credits up for grabs. All you need to do is to scan the QR code you see on your screen and create a Do Prime account and answer a quick question and submit your response, and boom, you are in the running, including that $200 grand prize. So, and when you win, just shoot us a DM on Facebook or Instagram to verify your details and claim your prize. And it's just as easy as that. Now, here comes the fourth and the final question. What is the maximum trading leverage offered by Do Prime to its clients? I repeat, what is the maximum trading leverage offered by Do Prime to the clients?
Alright, we will be giving you a hint. It's designed for high flexibility trading. The question is, what is the maximum trading leverage offered by Do Prime to its clients? Alright, we see some answers, alright? Looking good.
Yeah, there's 1,000, there's 2,000. Which is the one? So the one that our participants got here today, our content creator, our KOL got here today is 500. So let's see. Yeah, the names are coming in, and we will get. Yeah, so the winners, your names will be posted on the chat group, on the chat room, and you will get to see. So remember to DM us on Facebook or Instagram. Yeah, right now we will announce the final answer. It's, what do you think? It's 1,000. It's coming up very fast. Yes, and it's 1,000. Congratulations to all those who have typed 1,000 leverage into the chat group.
Alright, now while we wait for the results of the challenge, to our contestants, please grab a bite. If that's some refreshments, we have some drinks on the side, please feel free to do so. And
yeah, we even have some Chinese tarts.
And desserts. Yeah, please feel free to have some refreshments.
Yeah, I think they are very familiar with Do Prime. Everyone had the right answer. Okay, right now 4 of our lucky draws has been given out. Yeah, so we'll be waiting for the tabulated
results
leaderboard.
Alright.
The last and final leaderboard. Let's see, they are counting right now.
Alright, we will be taking a 5 minutes break while we wait for the results to come in. And don't forget to stay tuned because we will be having the grand lucky draw of $200 to win for our audiences online. So stay tuned and we will see you again in 5 minutes.
Okay, I know your name.
Alright everyone, it is time for our final lucky draw of the night, and this one is the big one.
One lucky viewer in our audience is about to win $200 in trading credits, and it's super easy to enter.
Just scan the QR code on your screen, create a Do Prime account, then come back here on our YouTube live and comment Do Prime India in the live chat. Hashtag Do Prime India in the live chat.
Yeah, once we pick the winner, all you have to do is send us a DM on Facebook or Instagram to verify and claim your prize.
Alright, let's go. Flood the chat with hashtag Do Prime India, and good luck to everyone because it's a big prize of $200 credit. Alright, hashtag Do Prime India in the live chat right now, as our live moderator will be getting your names. Alright, and don't forget to keep reacting in the live chat because your traders are here. We want to see the support, we want to see the love from all around the world, as they are here in Kuala Lumpur doing a 2-hour challenge that has just ended. Alright, traders and viewers, after 2 intense hours of setups, scalps, surprises and strategy, it's time to reveal the results. Before we get into the rankings, let's give a round of applause to every trader who showed up today. Win or lose, just trading live on an NFP day takes guts, discipline and serious focus. And now, the final leaderboard is in sight. Can I get the results, please? Who's at the top and who's made the biggest comeback?
Here we have.
All right.
Are you gonna open or I'm gonna open?
Do you want to open? All right. Okay. We shall see. Okay.
Yeah, so we have seen some amazing performance out there tonight. Regardless of the ranking, hats off to all 4 traders today. And here we go. We have our elite traders who will be winning 2 times $688 DP funded account.
Plus the profit made would be Madhav Bhatia.
Here you go. Congratulations. That one, the middle one. The middle one. Ah, okay. Thank you. Come. Some more. Oh yeah. This one.
All right.
Congratulations. Yes.
Now to our second elite trader that's winning 2 $688 DP funded account, Kunal Malik.
Congratulations. Oh yeah, this. Congratulations.
And now for our first runner-up. Did someone make a comeback? A sudden comeback? Who knows? We shall find out. Alright, for our first runner-up, you will be getting a $2,000 DP funded account plus the profit that was made during this live trade. Now the first runner-up goes to Radhima Puri.
Congratulations. Yeah. Yeah, in the middle. Congratulations.
All right. Congratulations to Radhima for making a profit of 36%, and that is $357 US. And now for our champion, Mr. Pizza Guy, all right, Shubhra Tewari, for making a 66% profit, $659 US. You would be winning a $5,000 US DP funded account plus the profit that you have made during this live challenge. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Here you go. Congratulations.
All right. Massive congratulations to all of our traders and a huge thanks to everyone who tuned in. And for our lucky winners, congrats again.
And remember, if you have seen your name in the chat, remember to claim your prize and send us a DM via Facebook or Instagram to verify and redeem your prize.
All right, and now for the lucky draw winner of $200 credit, will we be getting the name soon? All right, we will be waiting while our live assistant work on that. All right, what a night, from bold trades to breakout moments. Thank you to our traders, viewers and guests. This has been Trading Ki Udaan do Prime Ki Pehchan, and we hope you enjoyed every second of it.
Yes, and we have the name right now. Okay, I'm taking the honor to open now.
All right.
Yeah. Hold on. Let's see. So, congratulations to Ankita Rani. Ankita Rani, you have won the $200 trading credits.
All right, congratulations.
Yeah, and Janu, something is happening in India soon.
Very, very soon, in August, I think.
Yeah.
All right, you want to tell them what it is?
Sure.
And they can catch us there?
Yeah, and probably we'll see you in the next challenge as well.
Yeah.
And we will also be at Geo World Convention Center in Mumbai for Money Expo 2025 in India on the 23rd and 24th of August. So come and say hi to us, meet our team, and experience our Do Prime platform live.
Until then, keep learning, keep trading, and keep growing. Thank you for being here today.
Thank you, and signing off from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.